Hey guys, my name is Amit and today we'll see halogen derivative state board. Okay, first we'll see classification of monohalogen compounds. So in that first category is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. So in that three subcategories are there. So X is halogen. So when halogen is attached to CH2, it is primary alkyl halide. When halogen is attached to CH, it is secondary alkyl halide. And when halogen is attached to only carbon, it is tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, so primary alkyl halide, halogen attached to CH2 is primary, halogen is attached to CH, it is secondary halide, and halogen attached to only C, it is tertiary halide. Okay, so 1 degree halide is primary, 2 degree is secondary, and 3 degree is tertiary. Okay, so that is first classification. Then next is allylic halides. So when halogen attached to carbon, which is sp3 hybridized. So what is sp3 hybridized? So this CH2 is having single bond on both the sides, therefore this carbon is sp3 hybridized. So halogen attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and the neighboring carbon atom to that is sp2 hybridized. Why this is sp2? Because it is having double bond. So halogen attached to carbon, which is sp3 hybridized, and that carbon is again attached to the next carbon, which is sp2 hybridized because of double bond. So this combination comes under allylic halides. Another example of allylic halide is this halogen attached to this carbon, which is sp3 hybridized because it is having single bonds on both the sides, and the next carbon is sp2 hybridized because of this double bond. So this is also example of allylic halide. Then next type is benzylic halide, halogen attached to carbon and that carbon attached to benzene. Okay, so halogen is not directly attached to benzene. Okay, people gets confused in this. Okay, when halogen is directly attached to benzene, that is another type. Okay, but in benzylic halides, halogen is attached to carbon and that carbon is attached to benzene. Okay, another example is here, halogen attached to this carbon and this carbon is attached to benzene. So this category comes under benzylic halides. Okay, and we can say this halogen attached to CH2. So this is primary halide. This halogen attached to C. So it is tertiary halide. Next category, vinylic halides. So halogen attached to sp2 hybridized carbon because this carbon is having double bond. So halogen is attached directly to the sp2 hybridized carbon is vinylic halides. Okay, this example also, halogen is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is also vinylic halide. Next category, haloalkynes. So halogen is attached to carbon which is having triple bond, so it comes under haloalkynes. Okay, halogen attached to carbon having triple bond, so haloalkyne. And last category, okay, which student get confused with benzylic halides. So aryl halide, halogen is directly attached to benzene. Okay, this also example, halogen is directly attached to benzene. So this is aryl halide. Okay, here halogen is attached to CH2, okay, or any carbon and then benzene, so benzylic halides. And here when halogen is directly attached to benzene, so aryl halide. Okay, hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Thank you.